Hello, friends. If you're over 60 and starting to notice tingling in your hands, aching knees, or legs that feel heavier than they used to, I want to reassure you of something important. This is not just aging. These symptoms are often the result of something we don't talk about enough: collagen loss. By the time you reach 65, your body may have lost 30 to 40% of its natural collagen. That's a staggering number. And it's this loss that affects the integrity of your joints, muscles, nerves, and even your skin. Collagen isn't just cosmetic, it's structural. It's the glue that keeps you moving, balanced, and pain-free. But here's the good news. You're not powerless. In fact, nature has already provided us with the tools to start rebuilding what time has taken away. In this video, we explore 8 collagen-rich vegetables, ranked from good to best, that can support your joints, restore nerve function, and reignite your mobility. These aren't rare superfoods or expensive supplements. They're everyday vegetables backed by science and likely already in your kitchen or local grocery store. My goal is to help you move better, feel stronger, and age with confidence, without relying solely on pills or procedures. If you find this information helpful, please like and share this video with others who may be experiencing the same symptoms. Let's help more people discover that healing can start on the plate, one meal at a time. When it comes to restoring your strength and protecting your joints after 60, collagen plays a critical role. And the exciting news is, you don't need expensive supplements or treatments to support your body's natural collagen. The solution is often found right in your kitchen. Let me walk you through 8 powerful vegetables, each backed by science and packed with nutrients that help rebuild your collagen, improve nerve health, and support healthy aging. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, providing 150% of your daily needs in just half a cup. Why is this important? Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis and protects existing collagen from breaking down. They also contain capsanthin, a potent antioxidant that lowers inflammation in your joints and nerves. Doctor's tip: eat them raw or add them to a stir-fry at the end of cooking. Pair with olive oil or avocado to enhance absorption. Spinach. Spinach may look humble, but it's a collagen powerhouse. It contains beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A, a key nutrient that activates genes responsible for collagen production. Its high levels of lutein and chlorophyll help reduce chronic inflammation, preserving the collagen you have. Spinach also delivers magnesium, crucial for nerve and muscle repair, and natural nitrates that improve blood flow to your joints. Doctor's tip: enjoy raw in salads or sautéed lightly in olive oil. Combine with citrus or red bell peppers to increase collagen benefits. Okra. Often overlooked due to its texture, okra is actually one of the best vegetables for joint lubrication and collagen repair. Its mucilage acts as a cushion for joints, and it's rich in pectin, polyphenols, vitamin K, and quercetin, all of which support connective tissue healing and nerve protection. Doctor's tip: steam gently or stir-fry. Make it a regular part of your diet to ease stiffness and improve mobility. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that activates your body's detox and repair genes. It helps shield collagen-producing cells from damage and supports cartilage healing. With vitamin C, vitamin K, and glucosinolates, broccoli reduces inflammation and strengthens nerve pathways, especially in the hands, feet, and knees. Doctor's tip: steam lightly to preserve nutrients. Add a dash of mustard seed powder after cooking to boost sulforaphane for even more collagen benefits. Beets. Beets are excellent for boosting circulation, which is vital for delivering collagen-building nutrients like vitamin C and zinc to tissues that need healing. A 2019 study showed that daily beet intake improved leg blood flow by 21% and enhanced muscle oxygenation. Beets are also rich in beta-cyanine and folate, which protect and repair collagen structures. Doctor's tip: roast or steam. and pair with citrus to maximize nitrate absorption and nitric oxide production. Seaweed. Seaweed is a hidden gem. It contains trace minerals like zinc, copper, and manganese, which are all essential cofactors for collagen formation. It also offers fucoidan, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that stimulates collagen-producing fibroblasts, and iodine, which supports thyroid health and tissue regeneration. Doctor's tip: sprinkle low-sodium, unsalted dried seaweed, like nori or flakes, into soups, salads, or smoothies 2 to 3 times per week. Asparagus. This vibrant green vegetable is loaded with glutathione, the body's most powerful antioxidant. Glutathione supports collagen repair, reduces inflammation, and protects your nerve and muscle tissues. It also provides vitamin K, folate, and prebiotic fiber, a winning combination for supporting collagen from the inside out. Doctor's tip: lightly roast or steam with olive oil. Combine with eggs, lemon, or salmon to maximize absorption. Parsley. Don't let its role as a garnish fool you. Parsley contains more vitamin C and K per gram than most fruits or leafy greens. It also delivers epigen, a flavonoid that protects fibroblasts and calms nerve inflammation. Parsley helps your body detox through glutathione and enhances oxygen delivery with its chlorophyll content, perfect for aging joints and tired muscles. Doctor's tip: add a small handful to salads, soups, omelets, or smoothies. Even a few teaspoons a day can make a significant difference. Dear viewer, I can't emphasize this enough. Food is medicine, especially when it comes to collagen and healthy aging. These 8 vegetables offer a natural and effective way to support your joints, improve circulation, and keep your body strong and steady well beyond your 60s. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a powerful truth. If you've been feeling tingling in your hands, stiffness in your joints, or weakness in your legs, please hear me when I say this. These aren't just signs of aging. They're your body's quiet way of saying, "I'm losing collagen. I need help." By age 65, many people have lost 30 to 40% of their natural collagen reserves, and with that comes a decline in joint stability, nerve function, and muscle support. But here's the good news. This process is not irreversible. You don't need injections. You don't need expensive supplements. You just need to return to something simple, real food that speaks your body's language. Start small. Add just one of these 8 vegetables each day. Parsley, spinach, seaweed, okra, red bell pepper, broccoli, beets, and asparagus. Prepare them well. Stay consistent. Over time, they can help rebuild what's been lost and restore how you move, feel, and live. Your body is always trying to heal. Let's give it the nutrients it needs to do just that, naturally and powerfully. If this message resonated with you, I encourage you to leave a comment below. Let us know what you're experiencing. Are your knees giving out? Are your fingers going numb? You're not alone, and your story matters. And if you found value in this video, please like it, subscribe for weekly tips, and most importantly, share it with someone you care about. It could be the first step toward their healing too.